We are tracking some elusive desert adapted elephants, and just another tremendous change of topography here and landscape. I honestly think if you wanted to go to one place in the world to take a Grenadier across all sorts of different terrain, this is the place.
We've got a nearby camp here called Nabas, and there's a man-made waterhole there. Apparently the elephants were sighted there last night, and it's a group of 10, so we're going to try and pick up the tracks there, see which way they're going, and then we'll just work hard at it.
Let's roll.
Good sign, we've come to this waterhole called Namibia, and there are fresh tracks everywhere. So these ellies were here drinking last night. So you can see which way the ellie was going. The back of the pad is rounded and usually quite smooth, and then the toe is up front, it's a little bit narrow, and as they move they kick up the sand, or they scuff it, so it's fairly easy to see which way they've gone.
I think we'll find them pretty soon. Even the dung is still a little bit warm.
Gotta move, gotta move. Yeah, we finally found the ellies. We saw them from a long way away with the binocs, and we've now been moving between hilltops trying to get a view. Came over this one and they were right below us. They are going back into the thickets. It might be a bit tough, but yeah, they're moving, so hopefully they come out somewhere a bit more open. We eventually caught up to the desert elephants. It's the middle of the day, it's pretty hot. They're in the shade having a little dust bath. It helps them keep cool. So we're going to spend a bit of time with them, and as the light gets better, hopefully they'll start moving around a little bit more.
Yeah, wonderful to have them this close to us and so relaxed.
See my pocket jumping.
So we had a bit of a close encounter there. A young elephant really liked the Grenadier, clearly, but pretty unbreakable. Even an elephant couldn't do too much damage. Just a bit of cosmetic stuff. Nothing a good panel beater and a paint job can't fix. But yeah, can't look at the evidence. Those are teeny tiny little elephant tusks.
It's going to feel a little bit weird to get back to civilization. We've had no Wi-Fi, no COVID, just the Grenadier, and adventures and exploration the last 4 days has been fantastic.
Amazing way to finish. We've just left the herd of desert ellies moving after drinking in a waterhole. Sun is setting, we're heading back to camp, and we couldn't have asked for a more fantastic way to end this Grenadier trip to Namibia.